Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Donnie, and you're watching Diamond Painting by Donnie, or future reference, this may be called Diamond Donnie, my channel. I'm thinking of changing it, so just be warned, if that's what the name of it is, that's still me. Today I have a review of an item that was sent to me, and it's actually pretty unique. I've never had one or seen one like this before, but it is a light pad. However, this one is a lithium battery tracing light pad. Well, it's light pad, and it has a stand on it. So I can just clip my diamond painting to it and do it on any surface, and I will have a tilted surface automatically built into the light pad. I'm super excited to try this out. So hang in there with me and we will see what this is all about. All right, so let's get this opened. And I will link it down below for you. This is an A3, so it's twice the size of an A4. So A4 is what I have found to be the most common size. It's, about the size of a sheet of paper, a normal sheet of paper that you get in a notebook. And then the A3 would be, you could fit two A4s on an A3, and you could fit two A3s on an A2, because the A2 is double the size of an A3. Just so you guys get a kind of idea of how big it is. The smaller the number, the bigger the light pad. That's just something to try to remember. Okay, so we have a C connector. So it's the newer plug. It's not the old USB type plug. And let's see how long this thing is, because that's kind of important. This is just for charging. You can run it with the cord plugged in. You don't have to. You can charge it up. And I'll check on the paper. Maybe it'll tell me how long it's supposed to last once we get in there. But okay, we've got a pretty long cord here. It might even say how long this cord is, but let's see if I stretch it. It's about 6 feet, because it's longer than my arm span, and I'm 5'8", so my arm span would be 5'8". All right. We also get a pencil for tracing, if that's what you're using it for, and they give you some of these cute drawings that you can use for tracing, because that's what light pads originally were for. I originally bought my first light pad because I was doing punch needle, as before I got involved in diamond painting, and I needed to trace a pattern onto the material, the cloth, so that I could punch needle it. And so I bought a light pad for that. Who knew that it would come in handy for when I started diamond painting? So if you're interested in using this for tracing, I'll show you the images that come in this. Oh my gosh, sticky won't come off my fingers. All right. We've got a mouse. We've got some flies. So if you wanted to do punch needle, there you go. You could do a punch needle of one of these things too. My cats are playing with their toys, so you might hear them in the background. We've got a cute dolphin. We've got a doggy, a little doggy. We've got another doggy. Oh, that one's cute. We've got, you could even diamond paint one of these if you wanted to. You could trace it onto one of the blank ones, like I've shown you, that the Diamond Dots Freestyle. You could even use these for that. This would be a little more complicated, but here is some macaws, or whatever, they're birds, and then some blank tracing paper. The rest of this is blank. So there's the paper that this comes with. And get the next thing would be the light pad. See if I can find a spot to pull it out. All right, it's got lots of padding in here because there's another big cushion down here at the bottom. All right. Okay, let's move the box out of the way. And here is the little paper that tells us about it. And what does it say? Oh, look at that. I don't even have it plugged in. It had already turned on because I leaned on the power cord. Okay, it says 6 levels of brightness, stepless, adjustable. I don't know what they consider stepless, because stepless to me means that it flows and it doesn't have a set brightness that you could actually put it in between brightnesses. But, oh, there we go. You just hold it down and it will be stepless, or you can do the steps. Cool. All right. And I'm going to have to go look online because it does not say on here how long the battery lasts. But it looks like it has a built-in clip here too. Yeah. Oh, wow. It's magnetic. Oh, that's nice. That would be good for paper. I'm not so sure it would really hold a diamond painting in place, but let's see. And then I still need to take the film cover off. Here is our stand on the back side. So, well, let me turn it this way so you can see better. All right, so we pick this part up and we put it in whichever notch we want it in. And it has little rubber feet on the stand itself. It does have the rubber spots on here if you want to do it flat as well. That's really neat that you can do it flat. These are felt, it feels like. I can't really tell. But these are rubberized. It's neat that you can actually use it flat or on using the angle, because people don't always want it to be at an angle. But to have it, it's a bit thicker than your normal light pad if you're using it flat though. So there we have it angled, and that's actually really nice. I could actually diamond paint from a regular flat table if I wanted to, which would be neat for me because then I could actually have my my trays flat on the table, and I can have a tower set up or something. Because right now with a tilt lap table, I can't do that because the whole table is tilted. This way I could have just the diamond painting tilted and have my trays flat. This is kind of a game changer for me, so that it gives me more options on where I can diamond paint. So here, let's see, we got this paper on here. Let's put one of the images so that we can actually kind of see the different brightnesses for the steps. I like to show that because it does make a difference sometimes. All right, there's the flat one. Here, let's put this mouse up here. All right, and we got our little magnet. So that's all you really need if you're just tracing. You just need this little clip here, this magnetic clip. That's really nice. Let me see if actual magnets will work. All right, I made one of my wax containers into a cover minder, so it's got a magnet on it. Let me just take it off because this is kind of heavy. Nope. Oh, there went my magnet. It doesn't seem that it feels magnetized in there though. So, but this, it feels like there's a pretty strong magnet inside of the clip. But I don't feel that this is magnetized. Like I said, I'm going to have to just go check my the listing on Amazon to see what the Okay, so it has a slight magnetism, at least up here at the top. Yeah, and that's the only place it seems to be. I keep dropping the magnet when I try to do it down below. But while I'm showing you, this is kind of not the best sample, but I got some ink on it. But I have now this large cover minder box that we make. And you can see it's pretty big. So you can hold a lot of cover minders. It's got a nice thickness to it. And I think I saw an extra magnet in there. Anyway, yeah, you can put your magnets on the top or the bottom. This one isn't a very good example. I made it myself and I used too small of a magnet. So it doesn't reach the edge. So it doesn't want to magnetize. But here, if I use a magnet strip, it still does. It's not a very strong magnet up there. But it's strong enough. Well, I guess you have to have a stronger magnet up top. I don't know. Okay, let me pull up the listing. Yeah, I get sidetracked so easy. Let's show you the brightness first. See, this actually has 3 different colors. There's the orange amber. I'm going to flatten it because that way you can see it better. There's actually 6 different angles you can work at. This is not even the lowest. You can do one more, I think. Nope. This is the lowest other than flat. And then there's 5 others. So let's go flat so I can show you better. Okay. There's off. And then we've got, the first one is white. Then we have the amber. Well, maybe that's blue, amber, and white. I don't know. There's 3 different colors. I'm not quite sure which is which on the first. So that's off. That's the first color. And I can tell that's amber. And then this might be the cool kind of bluish color. But then you've also got your stepless dimming. See, that's dim as it goes. And then you do it again, and that's the brightest it goes. Or you could do it step. So that's the brightness on it. I want to bring it back up to the brightest we have. And the listing says that the battery fully charged will last 6 hours, 2 hours at a time. So that just means that after 2 hours, it'll turn off. You just need to turn it back on. So 6 hours, that's a good long road trip. I tell you, in the dark. Yeah. If you're sitting in the back seat. The front seat might not be so. It's very distracting. Trust me. I've diamond painted with the light pad on while my husband's been driving before. And it got quite distracting for him. All right. So let's see, what other features does this thing have? Oh, I did see that they have a 1-year warranty on it. So even after the 30-day Amazon return policy, you've got 1 year with them. You can, if you're unhappy for any reason within the first year, you can return it. So I think that's pretty darn neat because I don't see too many warranties with outside of Amazon's 30-day return policy on stuff. So that was pretty impressive. But so you can see the front with the clip at the top right there. And then the back, we've got our 6 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Plus, let's see, does that count flat? Oh, let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus flat. So there's 7 different angles you can use with that. Flat to that really high angle that I had it at first. And it's not really that thick for being, I'm going to turn the light off so you can see that. So you can see the thickness a little better. So it's still not that thick. I have some actual light pads that are this thick that do not have the battery backup. And then over here is where you would charge it with the C port. Let's get it to focus. There we go. You can see that C port right there. And it is a 6-foot cord. So my guess was correct. All right, so there we have it. I will link this down below. It is on Amazon. Normally, this is $100, but with Amazon Prime, it's 30% off. So you save $30 just by being an Amazon Prime member to be able to purchase this at 30% off, which is a really good deal, especially for something with these features with the built-in battery and the fact that it's got the stand. That is a big game changer for me. So use my link down below to get yours if you are interested. And if you do not have Amazon Prime, I've also got links down below to where you can sign up for Amazon Prime. And I don't know if they've got any deals going right now for signing up, but yeah. And if you also have, there's also a special link for low income people. So if you are low income, you can get Amazon Prime for like $5 or $6 a month, which is a really good deal. But I've got those links down below as well. So let me know if you have one of these or if you plan to get one, because I tell you, I've seen people with these before and I have been just envious because I've wanted one, but I have regular light pads and I just didn't know if I really needed it. But now I've never seen anyone with the ones with the stands. I've seen the ones with the batteries, but never with a stand included. But now that it's got the stand, I definitely would have bought this had it not been sent to me, because this is something I need for where I diamond paint. So let me know what you guys think, and let me know if this is something that you guys would actually buy, because I tell you, this is gold to me. Leave your comments down below. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing, for all of my subscribers that have been watching me all this time. And thank you to my new subscribers that have joined me recently. I really appreciate each and every one of you. So don't forget to like my video and leave me a comment, because I love seeing those comments. And be watching, because within the next few videos that I post here, I'm going to be having a really big giveaway. And I don't know what you consider a big giveaway, but I'm talking about, it's big to me. So I'll see you guys in my next video. So have fun diamond painting, and please don't forget to always sparkle wherever you go and whatever you do. Take care, everyone. Bye.